The Rock Island Arsenal has solutions to develop personal protective equipment and as well as ventilator parts. The dynamic nature of the U.S. Army, we were attacking the virus on all fronts. 16 months ago, this building was empty. So the men and women on this island have turned this extremely quickly. And it is a big part of our future. The U.S. Army is in the process of bringing in 31 signature systems across the formation, everything across the continuum. And what we're putting in every one of those contracts is the requirement to make 3D parts. This building's going to be full years from now. It is a big part of our future. And I know the men and women of the island will continue to help serve the Army well for another 100 years.